What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep two accounts on one computer of OneDrive. So let's get started. So first, head over to Microsoft OneDrive's website, and after that, if you are new, just click on this create a free account button. But if you already have a OneDrive account, click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in to your OneDrive account. And after that, when you have been redirected to the home page of OneDrive, from here on the right side, you need to click on your profile, and from here you will see the option to sign in with a different account. Click on this, and after that, the sign in page will open. From here, you need to enter all your another account's details. As you can see, this is the sign in page for signing in your another account, and then you can just simply add the email of your another account which you want to log in the same computer, and after that click on next and enter the other details, and then you will be able to use two OneDrive accounts in one computer. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.